Hello, everyone. It's so great to be here to share some of our work on artificial intelligence for social good, education, interdisciplinary, community engaged, and inclusive AI education. My name is Yu Chen. I am a faculty member at the School of Information Systems and Technology at the College of Lucas College and Graduate School of Business at San Jose State University. And this is a project with collaboration with the CSU Chancellor's Office STEMnet, Cal Poly Pomona, CSU San Bernardino, and CSU Long Beach, supported by National Science Foundation. First of all, what is AI for Social Good project? The goal of this project is to engage students, especially undergraduate students of all different disciplines, across all disciplines, to learn AI through addressing some of the most important social issues as identified in the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which we can see on the right-hand side, such as no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, etc. But in particular, we'll invite students, instead of addressing global problems, they'll bring those problems, identify those problems that might be able to manifest within their community. And in particular, this AI for Social Good education project has three main directions. Number one, we develop and continue to revise AI learning modules to situate AI learning in students' communities that contribute to and benefit student communities in relevant ways. And number two, we'll implement those AI for Social Good modules among students in multiple disciplines and multiple CSU campuses. And number three, through this project, we aim to generate evidence-based practices of culturally responsive AI for social good education. And let's just briefly talk about the different modules in AI for Social Good project. There are three modules for this project. Number one, students will identify social problems in their own communities. And number two, they learn AI concepts and or AI applications through hands-on AI labs and case studies. And module three, students will learn AI innovation by either proposing or creating AI-powered solutions to address the social issues that they identified in module one, and then at the same time discuss the benefits and risks. So what do those projects look like? On the right-hand side, here is one example of students' project featured by a staff at IBM. And this is back in 2021 when a lot of us still remember when a lot of education was still administered online. So one of the problem that our students identify is the very common mental health issues in the age of online learning. And identifying that problem, a group of 5 students at San Jose State University in Management Information System majors, they developed a chatbot using IBM Watson Assistant called Student Assistant Motivator, or SAM abbreviation, that aim to provide chat services to help students who are in isolation and provide them with resources that can help them alleviating their problems. And this project originated back in 2019 and gradually grow. And we officially enable students to prototype their ideas in 2020, April, in the spring of 2020, when a lot of us can still remember when the education suddenly switched online. And in order to pivot to the sufferings a lot of students and a lot of us are facing, we asked the question to students, can you address some of the social issues during COVID? And on this slide, you see this is the final presentation when with 45 students, they designed 11 different solutions to address a wide range of social issues during COVID, including sustainability, medical supply donation, personal protective equipment donation, online learning, food insecurity, financial insecurity, etc. Those are some of the acute sufferings a lot of people in the communities are facing. And we invited industrial professionals from different companies and also our communities as judges for student projects. And at the same time, there are a media team from the press and also joined online to feature student project. And this one is in screenshots of one example of students project featured by ABC7 News in Bay Area. And here is an example of students who prototyped an app that proposing using computer vision to help recognizing some of the grocery that are in the fridge or in the pantry. And then based on the ingredients and grocery items they still have, propose or suggest some of the potential recipes for people who are sheltering in place. And there are also other projects that are also featured in this news, where if you're interested, you're welcome to visit the link, which is available at the bottom of this page of this slide. And at the same time, here's another project in our class that are featured by IBM as well as UN Human Rights, Lauren Sophia, who highlighted Conserve E, which is an MVP application designed by a team of San Jose State University students aligned with the IBM Cover Code Challenge. And this app aims to tackle the issue when many people are staying at home and how to keep their electricity costs down. And this app proposes to provide personalized information on what they can do to convert to solar energy, right? So, and in the past 4 years, we have more than 500 students who proposed or prototyped more than 100 projects along using AI for social good. And this educational or pedagogy project has also gone beyond San Jose State. And now we have collaboration and partnership with also our sister/brother California State universities, with students from geography, from computer science. We're also along this line of encouraging students to propose or prototype solutions using artificial intelligence for the social issues that they identify in their communities. So, what are some of the lessons to share? Number one, encourage students to learn technology relevant to their own experiences in a situated approach. And we recommend this because we notice for students who, even if for students who major in computer science, some of them may still perceive AI as something, as a domain or subject that is super technical or super difficult to approach and learn, not to mention students who are in other majors, such as business, such as humanities, such as psychology, and etc., who might not be the typical major that might engage in learning technology. So the goal here is to really democratize AI learning among undergraduate students. And we believe AI will pervade into every single field, and we are hoping to educate our future leaders who are capable of AI knowledge and at the same time can contribute to their communities and be responsible leaders. Number two, empower students to leverage their cultural assets to create solutions that are relevant and beneficial for their communities and future career. And what we noticed, what we learned all through the past few years, is that every single student, they are so diverse and different and unique. And all the diversity they carry with them, it can be cultural, it can be economic background, it can be their community differences. All of them are such important assets that they can bring to the class to showcase some of the important problems that are happening in their community. And through their engaged learning, they're able to identify problems and also bring up solutions that are so unique that other students might not be able to access otherwise. So we're encouraging this, bringing out students' unique and diverse background to really extend our classroom to a standard lecturing style or teacher to students, to a truly co-creating environment that are becoming so unique and precious because of the contribution from students and from their communities. So that's a brief overview of the AI for Social Good projects we're working on. And if you're interested, we encourage you to check our publications, which is at the left part of the presentation, lower left, bottom left. And we also have some students' project featured on the news on the bottom right. And we encourage you to take a look at those as well if you're interested. And finally, you're also welcome to visit our website to get to know more about this project. Is www.aiforsocialgood.org. Well, we hope you enjoy our project, and if you're interested in learning more, or you're interested in partner with our group, with our project, feel free to reach out. Thank you so much for your attention and interest.